In this video we will make a spider, so it's always fun to make with the children. First of all, you can see the material, like again, like our same combination, and one stick, 2 battery, and 3 wires. These are very easy findable wires, and these are 6 heavy wires and 1 pipe. So I want to show also to you how to connect this 3 combination. So you can always connect them with soldering or by yourself. Just put it here and twist it, and also put this one here and only twist it. Okay, so when I put my batteries, again my motor should work. Okay, you can see it's really powerful motor. And now what I'm gonna do? First of all, I will put my legs. These are the legs for the spider. So this will be in here. Maybe I will bring it to the middle. Okay. And the second one will be here. And the third one will be in the back. So 3 here legs. I will make them a bit stronger here. Okay, this one here and here. So you can make them by yourself. Just round the wires. This wire should be a bit strong to stay here. And also from here. Just a bit to be sustainable. Okay, this is my main structure of my spider. Okay, like this. It's almost strong. A bit more, yes. A bit more, yes. Okay, now what I'm gonna do? I will put my motor to the back. Again, attention that don't put glue to here. My motor here. It's okay if it's if it's to the right or to the left. And my button to here, so easy. And my battery here. Okay. This is the main structure of my spider. How it's gonna move? If I start right now, it then never moves. And as you remember, in the other tech toys, we need balance, but here we need unbalance. So that's why I'll put this one a bit in the bad way. Let's see, not straight, a bit to the right or to the left. We will see. If it doesn't work, we will cut it, but we will check how it's gonna work. And here also you can put something to the front or to the back for decoration. For example, I can put this one for the head of my spider. It also looks like the scorpion. And right now it's dried enough. Then if you start it, look, it's moving. Look, my spider is super strong. The funny way, if you change the position of the legs, then it will the move will be different. Look, right now it's moving in a different way. So just change the position of the leg. And here, if you want to make it with a better vision, then you can put some ugly things to the leg, like this, to the here. So you can decorate always with better things. I think the children are better than me on this job. Just put them here very fast, and you will have a spider really funny and ugly. You can also find this hairy wires almost everywhere. If you're not able to find it, so you can do by yourself, or always ask to Little Engineers Academy team, or visit our website. Yes, look, This is right now a bit more ugly and of course heavy. But if you change the position of the leg, then look, it's going forward. Look, look. Then this is spider.